Hi guys, so today I'm going to share with you my review on this Sansonite Novex Backpack, and I just got it today, and actually it's on sale. It's now just $39.99 and it's pretty good. So I just received it this afternoon, and now let's take a look. Actually it's pretty light, it's not too bad, and so overall this looks a little big to me, but there are lots of pockets and it's pretty organized, and especially I like this color of the zipper. It's very good. So here there is the tag. It says it's perfect fit for laptops from 13 to 15.6 inches, and I think it's adjustable and also it's easy mobility. Okay, so let's take a look at this. There's the front pocket, and you can put whatever in it. And here is lots of pockets here. And here it says tablets. I guess you can put your tablets here. And there's pocket for your phone and your wallet. So, well, it's pretty useful. It's good. And here you can see the logo of Samsonite. Probably you cannot see it, it's too dark. And let's check here. On the top is a small pocket here. You can put something. And one more pocket here. It's pretty neat. And let's check this. Wow. Oh, okay, this is the main compartment. You can see it got large spaces, so you can put lots of stuff here. There are two pockets with these shells, meshes, so you can put different stuff there, and also one more here. You can put some books, and this is like hard, can protect your stuff. It's good. And the compartment is overall is big. You can put a lot of stuff in there. And I guess this one is for the laptop. Yeah, you can see another mesh bag here. And here we can put our laptop in. There's a Velcro. And it's TSA friendly, so that's good. And oh, I see. So you can actually adjust the position, adjust the size of the bag, so you can put different size of laptops in it. So let me get my laptop. Let's see. Oh, too small. What we can do here is put it in and zip it. Yeah, pretty good. And on this side, so the belt is a little thin, but it's very comfortable. And also the paddings here, you can see. Also on the waist, it's going to be very comfortable. And I guess this strap is for you to carry on. Yeah. And two side pockets, and this is really easy to stretch. I guess you can put different size of bottles. Yeah. Yeah, overall I think this is a good backpack. I guess I'll keep it. Yeah. Okay. Let me know what you think, guys. Alright.